Lecture 5 Output Devices. Hi there everyone. Welcome to today's lesson where we're going to learn all about output devices on a computer. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to describe output devices of computers, differentiate between monitor and television, differentiate between speakers and headphones, explain printer and printout. Output devices. These parts are used to give output to the user. Output devices are parts of the computer that show us the results of the work we do. Output can be in any form of words, letters, images, music, etc. Types of output devices. There are a few important output devices we're going to learn about today. Monitors, printers, speakers, headphones. Monitor. A monitor is an output device and looks like a TV screen. It is used to display the movement of mouse pointer, interact with computer. It shows us what we're typing and drawing on the computer, and shows output results. We can also watch videos or movies on it. The pictures we see on the monitor are called a soft copy. There are two types of monitors: CRT, cathode ray tube, flat panel screens. Monitor versus television. Monitors and TVs look the same, but they're not. A monitor doesn't have a tuner or remote like a TV does. Monitors have high display resolution, but television has low display resolution. It also shows better quality pictures. TVs, on the other hand, may have lower quality pictures. Printer. A printer is an output device that prints documents. It prints what we see on the computer. It works by taking the data as input, store the data on a computer, prints the output on the paper. A printer prints the output, which is called a printout. We call this a printout or a hard copy because we can touch it. Hard copy versus soft copy. The printout from the printer is called a hard copy because it's on paper. But what we see on the monitor is called a soft copy. We can touch the hard copy. On the other hand, we cannot touch the soft copy. Speaker. A speaker is an output device that produces sound output. We use it to listen to recordings, play music, hear other sounds of videos and games. Now, let's talk about headphones. Headphones work just like speakers and give out the sound output. but they are worn by a single person. They make sound. But the sound doesn't spread out like speakers do. Instead, the sound goes straight to your ears, so only you can hear it. That's it for today. Now you know all about output devices like monitors, printers, speakers, and headphones. Keep learning and having fun. See you!